Hi guys, my name is Roland from the Handyretter and I have here the brand new Xiaomi 13 Pro and with a cracked camera glass. I will show you today how we exchange this cracked camera glass with a new one. Let's go! So, as usual, I will show you first of all the tools that I will use for this repair. We need a pin tweezer and we will use this tool to grab some bigger parts. That's it already. Then we have just a spare part here. It's original camera glass. We import our spare parts ourselves from China. But you can see this is an original spare part. And we will post the camera glass as well in the description, so if you want to buy it in the future. At the moment we have just enough to do the repair, but in the future you can buy the spare part as well from it. Just the information for this repair: we will remove the camera glass here completely, the broken one, then replace the adhesive tape with a new adhesive tape and then put the new camera glass on top. Let's go! For this repair we will use a heat gun about 200 degrees, because otherwise the glue is really sticky and you can get it up really good. Just be careful not to put too much on one point, so always try to heat up all parts. So we will use this tool to remove the old parts of glue that are left. So now we are gonna clean the lenses of the cameras. We're using polyester tissue with isopropanol. Okay guys, unfortunately I could not record how I applied the new adhesive tape, because to be honest we had to take it over from original new cover, because at the moment you cannot get anywhere the adhesive tape for this camera glass. As I told you, we imported this last camera glass, or it was the only one that was delivered from China, and got delivered as well these back covers for the Xiaomi 13 Pro, but without camera glass. But it had the original adhesive tape on. So we disassembled the adhesive tape from this one and applied it on this one. And now I'm gonna do this one here. So we will install the glass. So the adhesive tape is already on, and we will just apply it like this. Let's have a look. Perfect. That's it. Alright guys, we repaired the Xiaomi 13 Pro with cracked camera glass with a new one. If you like this video, please hit the subscription button. You will help us a lot with this. And if you have any questions about this repair, ask us, write your questions below in the comments, and we will try to answer all of them as fast as possible. See you with the next video. Bye bye.